How to change your age on eHarmony. Hello everyone, welcome back to app tutorial. In this video, we will discuss if you can change your age on eHarmony. So let's start. First of all, open eHarmony and log into your account. You can use either the app or the website version of the platform. In this video, I will be using the website version. After you come to the home screen of eHarmony, you will find a screen like this. Now let me tap on the three lines on the top left and then go to my profile. At this stage, you will find your profile containing all the details that you have entered on the platform. Now as you can see, there are options to change various details such as your gender, occupation and so on. In order to change this information, you can simply tap on this arrow-like option and then select the alternative answer. However, as you come to the top, you will find that there is no arrow-like option on your age. That is because you cannot directly change the age on the platform after you have entered a particular one. So if you want to change your age, you will have to contact the customer care of eHarmony. For that, scroll below to the bottom of the screen. Then after, go to help. It will take you to a new page like this. So on the search bar, type change age and then search for it. You will find this how to change your age on eHarmony article. Tap on it to open. Now as you can read on the screen, in order to change your age, you will have to contact customer care and then type your correct birth date on the message using this particular format, that is month, date and year. So as you scroll below a little, you will find this contact customer care option. Tap on it. Then after, your email address and other details will already be added. So simply type the message in the description, that is you want to change your age, and enter the correct date of birth. After that, scroll below and then tap on next and then complete the process. After you submit the request, the moderators will look into it and then change your age after some time. So in this way, you can change your age on eHarmony. That's it for the video. Make sure to subscribe to the channel for further similar videos and drop a like if you found this helpful.